Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Maylinda. I'm from TTL number 22. Now I will present a review about multimeter products. Understanding multimeter in general is a measuring instrument used to measure electric voltage, electric current, and resistance. Components in the multimeter are 1 screw, 2 pointer needle adjustment button, 3 selector switch, 4 positive and negative pole hole, 5 polarity selector switch, 6 pointing needle, 7 scale. Multimeter function is measuring DC voltage, measuring AC voltage, measuring DC current strength, measure the resistance value of a resistor, checking short circuit or connection, checking the transistor, check the electrolytic capacitor, check diodes, latch and zener diodes, and checking the inductor. There are several things which need to be considered when using the ampere, voltage or ohm function, namely when measuring current or amperes, make sure the switch is in the TTL position. Turn the selector switch to the position or scale above the current being measured. This is to avoid damage to the fuse. Make sure the power supply is connected to the load, and please read the measurement result on the display screen. To measure voltage, make sure the switch is in the AVC position and select the correct measurement scale. If you do not know the value of the voltage to be measured, you should choose the highest scale to avoid damage. Finally, connect the probe to the terminal to be measured. Please read the result on the display. When measuring resistance or ohms, make sure the switch is in that position. Then select the scale to measure. Connect the probe to the resistor component and read the result on the display. This multimeter or avometer has a unique way of working. Inside this tool there is a coil made of copper. The coil is placed between two poles, namely the north and south poles, and on the coil there is a measuring needle or meter needle as a number indicator. If both ends of the coil are engaged by an electric current, then the whole hand will move towards a certain scale according to what is being measured. The multimeter has a very important role because it can check the condition of an electric circuit. Errors that occur can be identified with a high degree of accuracy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.